Good morning. We're doing a day in the life as a girl living at the beach who loves Jesus. It's like 7 o'clock right now. We are trying to wake up earlier to be a better Proverbs 31 woman. We're making our breakfast and then we're gonna make our coffee and spend time with Jesus. We're making my banana pancakes that are the absolute best. All you need is a banana, 1 egg, and some oats, about half a cup. Actually, I just eyeball. I'm like, okay. Smash it and then put it on a pan and make little pancakes, and it's the best. And you get a little bit of protein because of the egg. What's better? Okay, and then in the pan, I like to put coconut oil. It tastes so good. A little bit of chocolate chips. Oh yeah. I also have this turkey bacon that I need to fry up, so I'm gonna make this. Let's see if I can flip it properly. Oh, these look so good. Okay. This is breakfast. Looks so good. I just put peanut butter and some strawberries on the pancakes. The coconut oil just makes them so crispy on the outside. So good. Partnered this big cup of ice water. Trying to drink a lot more water. It's coffee time. Let's set the vibe. This is Freddie. Aubrey got him for me for my birthday. It's my first jelly cat ever, and he sits right here. So cute. I always measure out 18 grams of beans for my double shot. And I have the grind size at 7, which it came out really fast the other day. So I might put it on a 6 for now. And you're gonna wanna measure out 36 grams of espresso. This is how I make my coffee. So I'm gonna measure out like 15 grams of honey into the espresso. Okay, I did 18. Some cinnamon. The best part is picking out the glass. So many, as you can see. We have so many. Go with the honey one that I use probably every day. Normally don't put ice, but we're gonna do ice first. This has been my favorite milk. This one and the whole milk. Espresso. And because it's almost fall, we obviously have to add a pumpkin spice cold foam. Aubrey got this the other day, and it's actually so good. And sprinkles, obviously. You guys thought I was out of my sprinkle era, but I'm not. Looks so cute. Look how cute. Adorable. Looks like a cupcake. Okay, we're gonna actually go outside and read our Bible. Because I'm trying to spend more time outside, even if it's not even going anywhere. I feel like my patio is cute enough that I need to be out there. We got our Bible and we got our coffee and journal. while I'm cleaning the kitchen. Got this from Sam's Club. These are the best store-bought, in my opinion. So I use the Form app for all of my Pilates, and we're gonna see what today is. Today is a full body 30-minute classic, and all we need is 2-pound dumbbells and a chair. So we're gonna do this one at home, and then we're gonna go do cardio at the gym. Back from doing some cardio, and now we're gonna get ready to go lay out by the pool because the UV is a 10. So I'm not afraid to admit that I do revolve my day around the UV most days. Just wearing this bathing suit from Target, and then it has a bandeau top, which is good for tanning. Yesterday I did not bring this face sunscreen, but I gotta put it on today because I am a little red. I'll just wear it like this. Okay. Okay, we're back from the pool. Probably a little bit tanner than before, but now I'm gonna make something for lunch. Girl dinner, hi! Okay, I'm getting ready to go help film an ad for a friend, and all of us girlies are going, and I don't know who else is gonna be there, but then we're gonna go to the beach after. I don't know where it is. Yeah, no. Might wear these though.
Should have been. Sweaty as I'll get, like the whole crowd laughing. Like I pulled out, like it was fine. But I was like sweaty. Yeah.
This is our set.
No, it was super fun. Right.
Yeah, stay tuned.
I wish I could. Put like a really cool,
I'm going to.
like musical song. Okay, wait.
Beautiful. We're all changed. We're so big. We're gonna go in. Why don't we ever come down these? They're so cute. Come on, friend. We're gonna go watch the boys surf.